What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be doing this repair job on this titanium white pipe. They brought me this like this. I'm gonna try to weld them back together. Probably just do a time lapse. I asked on Instagram what kind of content you guys wanted to watch, and I got a few people saying they wanted to see some welding content. So here's the first one I'm gonna be posting. Alright, just finished welding this up. I'm a little rusty on titanium, but came out alright. So yeah, here's a quick video of repairing a titanium white pipe.